Are you ready to unlock new income streams and boost your financial freedom in 2026? Starting a side hustle can be the game changer you need. Today, we'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide to start a profitable side hustle this year. Side hustles give you flexibility, extra income, and a way to pursue passions outside your main job. They help build financial resilience and open doors to long-term wealth. Whether you want to supplement your salary or create a new career, side hustles are essential in today's economy. Choosing the right side hustle is key. Think about your skills, interests, and available time. Popular options include freelancing, selling products online, social media content creation, or investing in digital assets. The best hustle aligns with your lifestyle and goals. The journey to building your dream begins not with a giant leap, but with a single, intentional step. When you're just getting started, the sheer scale of your ambition can feel overwhelming. That's why the first rule is to start small and focus on consistency. Forget about perfection. Instead, embrace the power of daily action. Set clear, manageable goals that you can realistically achieve. Then, break those larger objectives down into small, daily steps. This transforms a daunting mountain into a series of walkable paths, making the process feel less intimidating and giving you a concrete plan to follow each day. You don't need a huge budget to make a significant impact. In today's digital world, a wealth of powerful resources are available at your fingertips. Use free or low-cost tools to build your presence online. From website builders to design software and social media schedulers, you can create a professional-looking brand without spending a fortune. Remember, you are not on this journey alone. Actively network with others in your field. Join communities, attend virtual events, and don't be afraid to ask for advice. At the same time, commit to being a lifelong student. Learn continuously by reading, taking courses, and staying curious. So, let's recap the essentials for getting started. Start small to build consistent habits. Set clear, broken-down goals. Leverage free tools to establish your presence, and actively network and learn from the world around you. These foundational pillars will support your growth. And finally, track your progress. Seeing how far you've come is a powerful motivator. Each small win, each ticked-off task, builds momentum. This visual feedback loop reinforces your efforts and fuels your determination to keep moving forward, transforming small, consistent actions into significant, measurable results over time. The beginning is a phase of planting seeds. Nurture them with patience and persistence. Trust the process, celebrate every small victory, and know that you are building something meaningful, one day at a time. Building a successful side hustle is a marathon, not a sprint. Growth takes time, so it's crucial to stay patient and persistent. In the beginning, progress can feel slow, almost invisible, much like a seed germinating beneath the soil. You're laying the groundwork, building systems, and finding your footing. It's this consistent, daily effort, even when you don't see immediate results, that builds unstoppable momentum. Remember that every big success story is built on a foundation of small, steady steps. Don't get discouraged by the quiet beginnings. Your efforts are compounding. To keep your motivation high during this journey, you must celebrate your small wins. Acknowledge every milestone, whether it's your first sale, a positive comment, or finally mastering a tricky piece of software. These moments are the fuel that will keep your engine running. Alongside this, commit to continuous improvement. Keep learning new skills that can elevate your hustle. Dive into digital marketing tutorials, learn the basics of bookkeeping, or take a short course on customer service. Each new skill you acquire is another tool in your arsenal, making you and your business more resilient and capable. You don't have to go it alone. In fact, you shouldn't. Join communities to share ideas and get support. Find your tribe in online forums, dedicated social media groups, or even local meetups for entrepreneurs. These networks are invaluable for getting feedback, finding inspiration when you're in a slump, and discovering new opportunities for collaboration. Sharing your struggles and successes with people who understand the hustle can make all the difference, turning moments of isolation into opportunities for connection and growth. As you stay consistent, you'll start to see tangible results. Reinvesting your early profits is a powerful way to accelerate this. Remember, your hustle can evolve into something bigger. That initial side project could transform into a significant stream of income, and maybe even your main income source. It starts by upgrading your tools, refining your packaging, or scaling your marketing efforts. Each reinvestment is a vote of confidence in your own potential, paving the way for your side hustle to become the thriving business you envision. But the learning doesn't stop with our videos. The real magic happens within our community. Don't forget to join our dedicated community posts every Tuesday and Friday at 4:30 p.m. Dubai time. This is your dedicated space to connect with a network of ambitious peers, ask your most pressing questions, and get real-time feedback from those who are on the exact same path. It's where we connect on a deeper level, share our wins and challenges, and collectively grow stronger and more knowledgeable together. Your journey doesn't have to be a solo one. So, make the commitment to your future self. Click subscribe, turn on notifications, and mark your calendar for our community meetups. Your second act is waiting, and we're here to help you build it, one step at a time. We believe in your potential, and we've built this platform to ensure you have the support and resources you need to succeed. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you inside the community. And one last thing, grab my free checklist to spot scams and protect your money while growing your side hustle. Just subscribe to the Money Note. Link is in description.